Good evening from Raglan Electric Bikes. Currently we are filming seated on this working bike here, which is an experiment for our local waste collection company, trying to do things quieter, less carbon dioxide and more efficiently. Win-win, winny-win-win. Anyhow, this is not about that. This is about how to set up the display, the colour display, the DPC-14. So, to get into the menu, the setup menu, go over here, double click there, and you're in the display settings menu. You can choose lots of different things, but I want to show you how to get to the advanced settings. So, all the way down here to ... press the power button, advanced setting, press the power button, put in 1919, so quick. Oh, this is slow. Ooh, 0, can we go around? Haha, fast. Quick, up to 1, down to 9, and I'm pressing power each time to move across from the next digit, from the one digit to the next. So 1919, here we go. You can change how fast it will help you up to, and you can also change how many assist levels. So power button to get the thing to flash, down for fewer, up for more. So let's put it on 5. No, let's not. Let's leave it on 9 because the guy who rides this is happy. But some people like 3, some people like 9. So set it to what you want. When it's where you want, press the power button again to stop it from flashing. Then scooch on down to exit. And you're back to just the using screen. And if I go up, 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 it will show us 9 power levels. There you go. That's how you set up the DPC-14 display.